Want to learn how to annotate like this in Google Classroom? Stick around, I'll show you how. Assalamualaikum, I am there again with amazing stuff. I'll show you how to annotate in Google Classroom directly. So for this, first you will open the Google Chrome. Then you will type here Chrome Web Store, and then you have here the Chrome Web Store, so just click here. Now in this search box you will type Kami. So you can see here this is the extension which we need to use, so it's a Kami extension. So just click here, and then there is an option add to Chrome, so click on this. Then there is a pop-up that if you want to add the extension or not, so just add it. And yes, the extension is added. Since I'm a tech person, so I have so many extensions here already. So if you don't have that much extensions, that Kami extension will show here, but if it is not showing up directly, so you can just click here. This is the extension symbol, and then scroll down and see here the pin option. So just click on this pin option, and then it will show up. So now we will open our Google Classroom. So this is my Google Classroom mainstream page. I'll click on the classwork. Now I want to check the assignment, so I'll view it. Now 2 students has turned in, so I'll click on 1 student. So this is the question paper which I have sent to a student to solve it. So I'll click on the next one, which is the solution a student has sent me. Now you can see here that we have this toolbar here, and we have this drawing here. So we have different type of colors here you can choose from, and there are more color also. You can click on any of this color, and then you can change. You see it's changing. So if you take any other color and save it, it will show up here. So you can take that color and do the annotating. The good thing is that you can also use Ctrl+Z from the keyboard to undo the thing. So I'll choose here red color to check this. So now this is correct. This is correct. Now here y is missing. I asked the student to find x and y both, but he only found x. So I'm using mouse right now, but you can use if you have a pen tablet, any Wacom or any other tablet, it will be just the cherry on the cake. It will be really easy for you to annotate. You can write the comment, or you can tick or cross whatever you want. But even then, if you don't have, I'm using mouse right now, you can use the mouse also, because there are plenty of options for mouse also. So then for example, if there is a sign mistake here, so I'll just circle it, and then I have here text box. I'll click here, and then I'll click here and write sign mistake, and even I can move it anywhere I want to move. I can move it. There are plenty of options here. There are shapes here you can draw, so you can check it out later on. So this is how we can annotate here easily. And now what I have to do, I will just click on the save, and there is a save now option. So I'll click on this, and now you see all changes saved. So as soon as you get this tick, you can option, you can just close it, and then you can open a new assignment. So I'm just closing it, opening a new assignment to check. Now you see this pop-up, this file need conversion. In the previous file it didn't show because it was a PDF. If the student is submitting the JPG or the PNG file, which these are the image files, so if they submit you the image file, it will ask you to convert. It doesn't take much time. If you click on the convert, you see it's quickly converted. But I recommend you to ask your student to submit their work in PDF format, and there is a link in the description how to convert images into PDF. ask them to watch that video, copy that link and paste it in your Google Classroom or any other place, so the student can watch that video and they know how to take the pictures in PDF, because PDF format is more organized, it's well aligned, and then they can send you. So I recommend you, if you don't know how to convert, you watch it also. So now this is the image. So again I'll be just crossing it or whatever you want, or if something is correct, or if you want to write the comment, I have told you everything. So this is how you can annotate easily directly in Google Classroom. Now I'll show you that you have done the annotation, how a student will view it, and if you want to return this work, you can give the marks also, 6 marks for this, for example. And this student I didn't mark, but his work was correct and only one mistake was there, so I given 9 and returning. So now I'll show you student window, how they will view your mark work. So here it is. Now you can see these are the marks, and if they click on their work, wow, you see they can see all the annotation you have done. So this is how you can check your work using Kami extension, and you can annotate directly in the Google Classroom. If for any reason you don't want to annotate with Kami, so you can just click here and then it will appear as normal. And if you open any other file, then you see it will appear normally to you. And whenever you want to return back to annotating, so just click here and then you can annotate again here easily. I hope this video was super helpful for you. So why don't you give me a like, subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it till yet, and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.